Dear friends, this video disputes the wrong statements made by the Vice President of India, Jagdeep Dhankhar, again and again on various occasions, stating that the Parliament is supreme and the Constitution doesn't visualize any authority above the Parliament is far from truth and out of context. The Vice President of India speaks based on the concept originated and developed in England during the period of 17th, 18th and 19th centuries, developed in England. To put it in simple words, it means the right to make any law or unmake any law rests with the Parliament. No person or body has the right to override or set aside the legislation made by Parliament except the Parliament itself. What is the legal settled position on this matter is this. The settled legal position is that contrary to the Vice President's viewpoints and beliefs, India's Parliament is not sovereign. The first indication of the same is that there is existence of another document called the Constitution of India. The Constitution confers sovereignty solely on the Indian people. Parliament is merely one among many institutions whose powers are framed and enshrined by the Constitution. If our framers of the Indian Constitution thought that the Parliament is so supreme, they would not put the Constitution above all the institutions of three organs of the state. The Vice President of India speaks on the lines of the Supreme Court of India's ruling in Sajjan Singh versus the state of Rajasthan in 1964, held that Parliament could change any part of the Constitution as it is pleased. That was the original settled legal position of the Supreme Court of India in the year 1964. But in the year 1973, the Kesananda Bharati case versus the state of Kerala, the 13 members constitutional bench has held that the basic structure of the Indian Constitution shall not be altered even by the amendment by Parliament under Article 368 of the Indian Constitution. Our point is that while matters in Germany during the period of Hitler, all attempts have been made by Hitler's regime so as to demolish the Weimar Constitution and put it into dustbin or to the grave and make the amendments as it is pleased by the Parliament according to the will and wishes of the Hitler's policies. Like that, our Vice President of India decides to make the Parliament all powerful and demolishes the Constitution of India to anything like the demolition of any institution. It is not desirable. The people of the country will not accept the viewpoints of the Vice President of India who is occupying the post next to the President of India is unfair. Thank you so much.